Have you ever wondered how the dashboard of your car is made? That large, sleek panel stretching across the front of your vehicle might look simple, but manufacturing it is actually a highly complex engineering process. Behind every automotive dashboard lies a massive and precisely engineered injection mold. These molds are designed to produce large plastic components with extremely high dimensional accuracy and an excellent surface finish. Because dashboards are so large and visible inside the vehicle, even the smallest defect can affect the quality and appearance of the final product. That's why mold design, cooling layout, material flow, and ejection systems must all work perfectly together. What you're seeing here is a dashboard mold operating on the shop floor, a great example of the scale and precision involved in automotive injection molding. Thousands of hours of engineering, machining, and assembly go into creating a mold capable of producing these complex components reliably and consistently. In modern automotive manufacturing, high-quality tooling is the foundation of high-quality parts. At SNM Tooling, we appreciate the craftsmanship, engineering expertise, and precision that go into building molds that power today's manufacturing industry.